Good day, everyone. I am Mary Bentulan in CDL2. Today, I will be presenting the 20 common laboratory apparatus with their function or uses. And these are the common laboratory apparatus. First, the compound microscope. It is used to view magnified images of small specimen on a glass slide. Next is the volumetric flask. It is used to measure a specific volume of liquid of the solution. Next is test tube. It is used to mix, hold, or heat solid and liquid chemicals. Test tube brushes. It is served as the cleansing apparatus of the test tube. Beaker. It is used to hold, heat, or mix substances with the proper measure. Next is funnel. A tube or pipe that is wide at the top and narrow at the bottom and used for guiding liquid or powder into a small opening. Crucible tongue. It is used to lift a hot crucible from a furnace or for other items which cannot be handled with bare hands. Mortar and pestle. It is used to crush up solid chemicals into smaller pieces or to grind solid into fine powder. Measuring cylinder. It is used in a laboratory or liquid solution and to ensure that they are used in the right quantities or proportion that they need to be measured. Next is Next laboratory apparatus is beaker tongues. Are used to hold and move beakers containing hot liquid. Erlenmeyer flask. It is used to contain liquids and for mixing, heating, cooling, incubation, filtration, storage, and other liquid handling processes. Next laboratory apparatus is electronic balance. It is an instrument used in the accurate measurement of weight of materials. Test tube rack. It is a piece of laboratory equipment used to hold multiple test tubes upright at the same time. Evaporating dish. It is used for the evaporation of liquid and solutions to produce a solid substance or concentrated solution. Crucible. It is used to burn, melt, or mix solid chemical compounds over a burner. It can hold all kinds of substances, materials, and fluids. Next is Petri dish. It is used to support the growth of microorganisms. One of the most effective ways to do this is to help of the culture medium of the in an appropriate container. Spatula. It is used to measure solid moving objects and scraping material out of bakers. Pasture pipette. It is used to transfer liquids and samples during the laboratory. Boiling flask. It is used when heating solution, particularly for distillation. And the last part of laboratory apparatus is Bunsen burner. And these are the parts of Bunsen burner. First part is barrel. It is around 5 inches long tube, and the main function of the barrel is to contain air intake openings that mix air and gas together. It is a metal tube that lies on the base of the burner. Gas pat. It controls or limits the supply of the gas to the barrel. Corral. It controls the amount of air entering the barrel. It is present around the air holes at the bottom end of the barrel, and the collar works on the screw mechanism. Next is base. The base is provide support to the Bunsen burner. It is often present as six sides shape. Being supportable, it is wide and heavy part of a Bunsen burner. Next part is gas valve. Gas valve in the Bunsen burner is responsible for letting gas into the barrel through the collar, and it is often attached to the base of the Bunsen or screw. Air holes. Air hole allow air to enter the burner for a mixture of air and gas or any other liquid fuel with air. Next is rubber tubing. Rubber tubes are used to transfer the gas into a Bunsen burner. And next part is gas inlet. Inlet is a point where gas enters the burner. It helps to extend a gas flue valve, and the major function of it is to control the leakage of gas through a gas pipe. And these are the uses and operation of Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner produces a flame that can be used for various purposes, such as heating or sterilizing materials. It is named after Robert Bunsen, not the scientist who invented it, but the scientist who improved and popularized in the middle of 1800s. Bunsen burner is made entirely of metal. In order to function properly, Bunsen burner must have a barrel that's approximately 5 inches long, a collar with air holes, a gas intake, and a gas valve, and a stand to keep all the pieces from making contact with a work surface. And that would be all. Thank you.